Raise your hand if you're interested in cleaning the bathroom. Well, regardless of whether you're interested or I am interested, it must be done. Quick bathroom cleaning with Brother Barnes. I begin by using an old but clean towel to platform the items that I normally keep around the sink. I clear all the items from the countertops and clear the mats from the floor. When I use chemicals in the house, I turn on the vent fans. I will later turn these off after I am finished cleaning. Opening windows is a great way to get cross ventilation. The inside of the toilets are scrubbed with chlorine-based cleaner. Chlorine-based cleaner is used to dust the sink and the bathtub and the shower sides. All of these are cleaned and scrubbed with chlorine-based cleaner. The whirlpool is also cleaned with chlorine-based cleaner. Also, periodically, I fill the tub with cold water and add a bit of chlorine-based liquid bleach while running the jets to clean the insides of the pump tubing. Please follow manufacturer specifications for cleaning your whirlpool tub. The sink is cleaned with chlorine-based chemical using a hand scrubber and a hairy arm. The chlorine-based cleaner is rinsed before the next stage of cleaning, which will be with soap and vinegar solution. It is important to avoid mixing different cleaning chemicals. I repeat, it is important to avoid mixing different cleaning chemicals. Noxious, dangerous fumes can form. Counters and mirrors are doused with soap and vinegar solution. The toilet rim, seat cover, and ceramic water cover in the back are sprayed with soap and vinegar. The base of the toilet, hard to reach places, corners of the bathroom. Please wipe down the base, back, and sides of the toilet after applying soap and vinegar solution. The soap and vinegar solution is wiped down on all sprayed surfaces with paper towels, which are then discarded. This includes the corners of the bathroom and behind the toilet. The dry floor of the bathroom is then vacuumed. The dry floor is then vacuumed. A floor wet mop using replaceable cleaning pads is employed. The pad is pushed into these grabby holes in the top of the wet mop to hold the pad on. Hard to reach spots are accessed with the wet mop. Keep working the wet mop to clean those obscure crannies. Clean behind the door with the wet mop and into corners as much as possible. Note that the mop head is not exceedingly dirty. It will be gray with filth if there's lots of traffic in the bathroom. If the head of the mop is not real dirty, I take it and wet mop the foyer of the house. In this way, I do not waste the cleaning potential of the wet mop pad. It might be good to inform other members of the household after mopping so that they don't slide and fall on the freshly mopped surface. Sometimes I block the area with a small household garbage can as a reminder that the area has been mopped. Ideally, a wet floor sign, slippery when wet, would be applied. I have, however, never seen one in the house of a private homeowner, just in public facilities. Once all the surfaces are dry in the bathroom, I replace the items previously removed from the bathroom area for the purpose of cleaning. Although I attempt to be as clean as possible, this video is not intended to be an example of proper commercial sanitizing for COVID times. This video is purposed to demonstrate the process of bathroom cleaning for a regular person like me. As seen in this video, I had very little to no contact directly with the household cleaners I used. Glove up as required or needed. I wear glasses normally and always have frontal protection from splashing. I do not recommend or use other types of cleaners regularly in my home. I am a minimalist of a sort. Be safe. Always protect yourself and others. Think of possible entry routes of chemicals into your body through your eyes, skin, and respiratory breathing system. Shower yourself after the process of cleaning. And please know, it is a gift to clean the bathroom. Thank you.